Welcome to Copart. In this video, you'll learn how to use the support and services sections of Copart.com. It's easy access to must-know information. The support section can be found on the right side of the navigation bar. Designed to assist you with important items, the support section will educate you on subjects such as joining Copart, educational videos, information on our patented VB3 technology, common questions, and help with licensing. We also have a Contact Us section, where members can contact a number of our departments. In addition, we have a Services section where members can get information on brokers, inspectors, tow providers, and other industry links. Let's first take a look at the Common Questions section. This section will provide you with information on commonly asked questions about Copart. Learn more about commonly used terms, international bidding and buying, different membership types, and also how to register, search, and sell with Copart. We also explain what the different icons shown next to the vehicles mean. Ensuring that you have the correct license on file is an important step to take before bidding on a vehicle at Copart. Visit the Help with Licensing section to learn more about your state's specific licensing requirements. For example, Texas is a yellow light state, meaning members can buy salvage title vehicles on their own, but will need to use a broker to purchase any clean title vehicles, boats, jet skis, or snowmobiles. If you prefer speaking with a Copart representative, use the Contact Us option to utilize Live Chat Now. Here you'll be connected with a friendly member services team member who can assist you with any questions you may have before you bid and buy. So you found a clean title vehicle you want to buy. Now what? Use the Services drop-down next to Support in the navigation bar to view our Brokers and Market Makers section. This section provides a list of brokers who can help you purchase a vehicle. Or, can't make it to the yard to view a vehicle in person? Hire an inspector to do it for you. Inspectors can help answer any specific questions you have on a vehicle you're considering, and are also able to give you a thorough assessment of a vehicle's condition. You can also view or purchase a vehicle report to access a more detailed history of your vehicle. Using any of our 4 vehicle report options, learn more about your vehicle's damage, view internal and external videos, browse through the condition and tire information, and much more. Thanks for using Copart.com. Be sure to check out the rest of our tutorial videos by visiting Copart.com/video.